is Tembea Make an Impact.
My name is Kenta. I'm representing an organization called Tembea Make an Impact. We are a youth-led organization, and I'm the director. So you can see we're youth-led, definitely. And the name of the award that I received is in recognition of exceptional leadership in advocating for conservation in tourism. As an initiative, some of the ways that we engage in conservation is one, we create awareness, most especially in schools, maybe around national parks or any other attraction facility. Another way is we do reforestation. We plant a lot of trees during our events. Those are two main ways in which we engage in conservation. They say the youths are the future, but you're not the future. We are the present. Yeah. So we need to be supported at the moment. So lack of support from other big organizations is one of the challenges that the youths face. Another thing is funding, of course, because this thing you cannot do without funding because you need to travel. So as youths, we are not able maybe to provide for ourselves 100% that can be efficient for all the activities that we do. So funding is another problem that we face in conservation.